We were watching the morning price action. Sensex was building support right around its pivot levels. Look at this consolidation. Buyers were clearly stepping in, preparing to push it past the key resistance line.
Boom.
Caught the entry perfectly on the breakout at 94.45. In scalper mode, every second counts. As soon as it hit that peak momentum and spiked up to 136, we locked in those quick points and closed the position. On expiry day, premium decay will crush you if you get greedy. The secret to option scalping isn't catching the whole move. It's capturing the explosive core of it and protecting your capital. Are you trading the sensex expiry today? Let me know your P&L in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for daily trading setups.